how to enable block comments on your Wix website. So right here, you can just choose which one of the site that you want to add block comments, and then click on select and edit site to go to your dashboard. And then right here at your Wix dashboard, you want to go to your left of the screen and then click on this block. And then you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on more action and then choose on block settings right here. And then at the comments and ratings, on the comments, you want to turn it on. And then you can choose whether which one that can leave the comment, either the members or everyone. And to boosting your engagement, I recommend to choose on everyone, but be aware that can be the spam from some strange account. And then if you have a problem with that, you can just choose to members only. And then don't forget to click on save at the top right of your screen right here. And then you want to go back to the home section at your Wix website and then choose on edit site right here at the top right of your screen to go to your Wix editor. And then on the Wix editor, you want to click on publish at the very top right of your screen. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.